Okay, YouTubers and mosquito farm people, my peers. Today's lesson and today's practice is to try to fly around in circles, and in my mind try to think what it would be like if the engine quit while I was flying around in circles, and practice landing to see, what I have to do if the engine does quit, flying around in circles. So that's the idea. I'm going to try circles to the left, circles to the right. Today is circle day, assuming everything goes okay. Anything don't go right, I ain't flying. I walked around the machine and checked everything twice. I have a new muffler, well, a used new muffler, because the one that came with it after 4 hours broke. I mean, the part that goes in the end just broke right out. Not happy with that. And so I got a muffler from a 447, pretty old one, had to make an adapter. And so if it ain't running just perfect, I'm not going to fly. Oh, I got the stretched head bolt replaced. Very happy with that. Leon really helped out on that. I never would have guessed.